All right, welcome back. Today is the 22nd of August, and we have 368 subscribers. Thank you for that. We are going to...
There's a lot of pressure in here.
Okay, got mine. $13 smoothie, 2 rusty nuts, the ambulance, the welder. What does that mean? Today, I have my assistant with me. Hi. It is the 22nd of August. We have 368 subscribers. Thank you for that. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more Nissan, Jeep, Toyota, Acura, Ford truck, Chevy truck content.
Basically every kind of truck.
Whatever. We do it all. We're not scared of anything over here. Okay, in this episode, we are going to clean all the engine block, the power steering pump, the old AC pump, get all this cleaned up. CJ is going to work on cleaning the old parts that we've already pulled off, and hopefully we will get to taking this AC compressor off and replacing it. Grab me a pair of safety glasses. It should be on top of that toolbox. Can I have some too? No, you don't need them. Okay, how bad did we get the cameras dirty? Probably pretty bad. All right, let's take a look-see. A lot of messes. Looks like we got it pretty clean. I'll have to get it with a toothbrush and get that in there. But other than that, it's way better than before. You can actually see where the head is versus the block. Look how big those cylinder heads are. Okay. All right, CJ. So I'm gonna work on trying to get this guy off. If you want to work on cleaning these parts.
Okay, so how do you work
Okay, so what you're going to do is you have your part here, right?
Okay.
And this is your cleaning solution, aka diesel. Get your brush and clean the part.
Okay. Pretty simple.
Okay. You get into a spot, right? Like this, right there. Just use a smaller brush.
Yeah.
Okay. And then do as much as you can on the inside too.
Okay.
And then any kind of silicone like this, just peel it off.
Alright.
Alright? And then you're going to do this with all those parts over there.
Okay.
Make sure you're showing the viewers what you're doing.
Oh yeah.
They can see. The light's not very good over here.
I should have done it before and after.
Huh? We got before shots.
We did?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh no. My brush. No, don't fall again. Stop. Stay. There we go.
Okay. while he's over there doing that, we are going to attempt to get this gear off so we can replace that crankshaft seal. And I'm afraid it's stuck on here.
What was that?
Drop the hammer.
Oh.
I think it's moving. I'm really trying not to chew up these gears here.
I think this looks pretty clean, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So mainly you got some stuff right here.
How do I turn it off so it doesn't waste water?
It doesn't. It's
Okay.
recycles.
Oh, okay, nice.
The only way it wastes is if it comes out of the tub.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, just kind of getting these crevices a little better.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Where should I set it to dry?
Just put them over there. Put them on top of their towel. Not in the grass, on the concrete.
So everything on this table after wash?
All the parts, yes.
Yeah.
Not the bolts.
Yeah. So like this?
Huh? Yes. Okay. I think we're going to have to get the air tools out. Okay, air tools usually destroy things, so use them cautiously. But the vibration usually helps it get off. Woo! It's moving. Not a whole lot. I've actually got the gun stuck in there. We got movement, although not a whole lot of movement. Oh, there it goes. Our washer we've just about destroyed, so I'll have to pick up a new one of those. That thing's stuck on there. Alright, so the other GoPro overheated. He got half the parts cleaned.